Moving to Spain with kids? Ito yung napakalaking mali na ginawa namin. Hi, I'm Attorney Stephen, a digital nomad visa holder based in Madrid with my spouse and 2 kids. Isa sa biggest challenges namin ay maghanap ng school. Nasa Pilipinas pa lang kami, we spent hundreds of hours researching for schools online. Nag-email, nag-apply, pati interviews ginawa namin. Pero guess what? Most of them rejected us outright. Bakit daw? Kasi mahina pa yung Spanish ng mga anak namin. So, napilitan kami tumingin sa mga private schools, thinking it will solve our problem. Pero ang totoo, we were solving the wrong problem. Hindi pala kailangan ma-stress sa paghahanap ng school. Kasi dito sa Spain, may Ministry of Education na tutulong sa'yo na maghanap ng school para sa anak mo. Sila ang maghahanap ng school for your kids at bibigyan ka nila ng endorsement na ipapakita mo naman sa school. So, if you're planning to move to Madrid, don't stress too much on looking for school. Instead, tulungan mo yung kids mo matuto ng Spanish very early. Maraming online tutors, even native speakers na pwedeng tumulong sa mga anak mo. It's costly, pero it goes a long way to exposing your child early to the language. Para sa amin, hindi school hunting ang problema, but it's language preparation. Follow Girl Dad on the go for more real-life experiences about moving to Spain with kids.